Hello, welcome to Hodgson's. I'm Ian Kennedy, and what we're going to do today is a classic French recipe, Moules Mariniere. It's one of the easiest recipes to do. Now what we've done is we've finely chopped an onion, put it in some melted butter, and then we're just going to brown those onions off. We've also put a couple of bay leaves in a large pan of boiling water and get that up to the boil. Also what you'll need for this recipe is 3 cloves of garlic, half a lemon, squeeze in later, about 100 millilitres of double cream. If you want a healthy option, you can use creme fraiche, a couple of small spoonfuls of creme fraiche at the end, and a glass of white wine. And also, the main attraction, we've got a kilo of Shetland mussels. We've been using these mussels now for about 25 years, and there's a good plump mussel inside the shell. Delicious. So we've got the onion softening off there. We're gonna add the garlic. We don't want the garlic burned, so we put that in after we've cooked the onions for some time. Then we'll give a little squeeze of lemon. At this stage we'll add the wine and just let that cook down. What we do now is we'll add the mussels. You can see a few of these open, or if you tap them, they will close. That means they're still alive. You see those moving? And obviously as they get to the heat, they will start opening. So we'll add those in. These necks are handy. Just be careful there. And then put the lid on and bring them back to the boil. You'll see them bubbling and starting to open them. They're starting to open already. You just pop that lid on. Right, these onions are starting to thicken up. You can see that the butter is caramelizing with the onions, and the wine's infusing and the garlic's infusing, and you can see that sort of a milky consistency. This is a little trick that I've learned over the years off various chefs, including John Christophe Novelli showed me this trick. Use a bit of the liquor, and what you want to do is you want to just keep on reducing that. Keep on reducing that, and you're building flavours within that sauce. So you can repeat that process for about another 2 times, so another 2 to 4 ladles of that liquor, and then just keep on reducing it, and then we'll be ready to add the cream a bit later on. As you can see, these mussels are nearly ready, so we'll put some of that liquor in a bowl, and then we'll drain the mussels in seconds. Right, so these mussels have been cooking now for about 5 minutes, and they're all open. Any that don't open, discard those, but as you can see, the majority of those are open. So what we're going to do is, these have completed their cooking process, so we're going to drain these in the colander. Be careful, these are quite hot still. Right, great. We've got those mussels there. Take the bailiffs out. Onions, garlic, butter, white wine. These are just still reducing. So to pack some more flavour in there, what we can do is ladle some more of this and reduce it again. And then after that, we'll be ready to add the cream. Right, as you can see, this is reduced now. It's bubbling away nicely. We've added 3 lots of liquor into there, and we're ready to season it. So 3 or 4 5 or 6 really good turns of that. This black pepper, that's beautiful. And then a little bit of salt, a little bit of sea salt. And then we're ready to put the cream on. We'll just turn the heat down. We'll just mix that cream through. As you can see, it lightens the dish. Just mix that through thoroughly. And it naturally thickens up with the addition of the cream. Now we're just ready to serve it. Just get a ladle, you get a generous portion of this sauce, and ladle it over. A little bit more of the sauce. Because what we want to do is eventually mop that sauce up with some beautiful crusty bread on the side. And voila, that's Moules Mariniere with Shetland mussels from Hodgson's. If you'd like to visit any of the stores over the weekend, we'll have plenty of this product up for grabs. Thank you.